Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back with part 2 of my die haul and project share. So the first thing I'm going to share with you for this part is this Sizzix Bigs die. It's a Tim Holt Alterations tea die. It's pretty cool because you get the two different cups, a saucer, a little tea bag, and what's really cool about them, and I cut some of them out, is they have these slits so you can fit different pieces in there. So this can fit into here, okay? And you can stack as many as you want. So I used my new Martha Stewart paper pad, which I had hauled, some of my butterflies, and just did some of these. This one has flowers. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet, so they'll be probably an upcoming video of what I do with these. So that's a Tim Holtz Bigs die. Next I'm going to share with you is this rustic cottage aged rose die. And so this is just going to be a sneak peek of my project that will be for my embellishments collab that I'm doing. And so this is something that I was showing on camera, how to make those using this die right here. It's pretty fun. And then let's see here. The last thing I want to share with you that is a die is this die right here. This is the Kensington handbag die. It's 11 metal craft dies. It's from Tonic. And the story behind this, I didn't even know this die existed, was that I was on the Scrapbook Made Simple site when they were having their big the Shop But Didn't Hop die sale, and they had the Chelsea bag, which is by handbag, which is by Tonic. It was only $12, but by the time I got to check it out, it was out of my cart. It had been sold out. $12 was a steal because everywhere I'd found for that particular handbag, it was extremely expensive. I might as well buy the Our Daily Bread die, which I just wasn't prepared to shell out the money for that die, even though I do really want it. And I'm curious about the size of it because this die is pretty small. But anyway, I did find this die. I bought it on Overstock for $26, which was the cheapest that I could find of this particular die. And so it makes all these different, you have all these different options of making the handbag. That gives you kind of an ornate pieces if you want to do that for your decoration like they do for the front. You can leave it more plain. In that case, they have the layering dies already there for you, so you can layer it. And they have like a little clip or like a die that you can make a clip for it. So it comes fairly complete, I would say. You don't have to buy additional pieces for that die. I think it comes pretty complete. So the project that I made, so I made a little person. This is the one that I made, and I think it's about 4 by 3 inches. You definitely can put, something in there that is not too tiny. It's not like this die right here, which I think you can only really put kind of tiny things in there. You can put something decently sized in this die, and this I'm just using some Echo Park paper that I had in my stash, and it was very, very easy to put together. I really like it. I'm curious to know, though, what the size made of Our Daily Bread handbag die, because I do still really want that one. The thing I do like about it is it does have this sort of gathered edge. So if you wanted to, you could do something where this seals if you wanted to. Like you could do something completely different and not really make it a handbag, but you could seal the top if you wanted because it does have these grooves. That's really, really fun. And so, like I said, I bought this on Overstock. It was $26 when I bought it, and I had free shipping, so it wasn't too expensive. I think it's really, really fun, and I'm curious, not curious, but I would like to make things for Christmas with it. I think it's really, really cute. So, and while I'm here, I might as well share with you one other thing, and that is I had bought some cardstock from, I'm going to show you this place. This is the Cat's Meow. So they gave me some free gifts with my purchase. They gave me this, which is a Hampton Art tree stamp and die. And then they gave me some stickers. There's another sticker somewhere that they gave me. So they gave me a couple stickers, plus that die, which I thought was pretty cool. But what I bought was I bought some of this cardstock, which I have been dying to try. And this is the Tonic cardstock. They have the best price. And this is going to like blind you probably. But it is this mirror, single-sided gloss mirror card. This one is the Christmas gloss. It's 250 GSM, whatever that is. Because Tonic is a British company. So it comes with 3 gold, 3 silver, 2 green, and 2 red in this pack, which was really a good deal when I compared the prices of buying those colors all separately. This one, they're 8.5 by 11. This is a satin effect pink chiffon, and it comes with 5 sheets in here. And then I got that was the pink chiffon. This one is burnished rose. And then I got 2 others. I got black velvet, which is just really a black. There's no velvet, just a color. And this blue, which is called Silky Sky. And I don't know if the prices are on here, but I did compare the prices. And I found the prices to be the best at the Cat's Meow shop. And they're in San Jose, California. So they shipped really, really quickly. Plus, they sent me these free gifts. So if you're like me and you're interested in trying out this beautiful cardstock, then I'd visit the Cat's Meow. I thought the prices, like I said, were the best. And they also gave some lovely free gifts, which I thought was just really nice. But probably out of all the things that I bought, this was the one that I was most excited about. It didn't come real quick, but it's really, really cute. So here it is right here. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut Heart.